Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Band 8 active, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this smart band from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our smart band. Once you open the app, you should see the health page. Now tap on the device icon, and here you should see the XIAOMI Smart Band 8 active on the device page. Once you see it, scroll down, and at the bottom you should see the Unpair button. Tap on it, then tap on Continue, and the band will disappear from the device page, and it should reset itself to the factory default settings. Now we can close the app, and once you see the list of languages, it means that the reset is complete. And that's how you unpair this smart band from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.